Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria that make up a diverse microscopic neighborhood called the gut microbiome. We acquire these bacteria during birth and the first years of life, and they become our lifelong neighbors. The gut microbiome's diverse makeup plays an important role in programming the immune system, protecting the body from invaders, helping with digestion, and even regulating mood. Unfortunately, this neighborhood can be compromised when we take medications, eat processed foods, skimp on sleep, and consume sugar and alcohol. A disruption opens the door to unfriendly microbes who step in and take over, creating all kinds of health challenges like occasional diarrhea, gas, bloating, and fatigue. An out-of-wet gut is telling you something. You need a proven probiotic to bring the microbiome back into balance. Gutbalance360 is a unique formula specifically designed to deliver active probiotic organisms to reinforce your neighbors in the microbiome, strengthen the gut lining, and create a smarter, faster immune response. While most probiotics focus on delivering 1 to 2 strains of probiotics, Gutbalance360 includes 7 scientifically selected strains proven to have a broad range of health benefits. The Super 7 team of probiotics are formulated carefully using BioShield technology, which protects them from moisture, heat, light, and oxygen, so they remain preserved until they are released on target in the GI tract for maximum benefit and reliable results, with guaranteed potency at expiration without refrigeration. This diverse group of probiotics includes Saccharomyces boulardii, an extensively researched probiotic shown to bind and crowd out unwanted bacteria to help maintain normal inflammatory balance. Choose Gutbalance360 Practitioner Trusted, research-backed probiotics to help you maintain a healthy microbiome neighborhood.